Welcome student to my channel Educare Maths and Science. Today I also discuss the continuation of the AP from Emil Agarwal 2025 books, and it is 9.2 suppose size, and this is I.C.S.E. class 10, and this is same as C.B.S.E. in class 10 also, but the different books I just discuss later. Okay, now let's start today one sum. This is exercise 9.2 and the sum number is actually 5.11. What is the sum actually? Which term of the AP is this? Write the sum. Which term which term of the AP 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 is okay. Which term of the AP? The number one sum is this is okay. 3, 8, 13, 18 dot dot dot. This is 70 is 78. Okay, this is a sum. This is the from the books from the A. Milagro class 10 I.C.S.E. board, and this is the books from the latest edition is 2025 suppose, and 9.2 exercise, and the sum number is 5 number 1. As a given sum is which term of the AP, which term of the AP is 3, 8, 13, 18 is 70. That means this is an AP. 3, 8, 13, 18 is now 78 is the what is the number of terms? 78 a কোন term? This is the n term. Okay, let's 78 is actually the suppose is the nth term. No, we don't know. So this is the n term. Okay. So in case of maybe don't be panic. First you calculate or determine what is the first term and what is the common difference. Now let's say the first term is A is 3 here, and the common difference D is actually this minus this, so 8 minus 3, this is 5. You first determine this. What is A and what is D? No problem at all. Now you know the general formula of AP, that is the N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. This is a general term, general formula of the AP. Find out AP and AP. So here is, let's see the Tn term in terms of Tn, that is actually A plus N minus 1 into D. No problem. No problem. Clear? Here is given Tn term is 78. You just put the value 78 here. Don't be panic. You know this is 3. This is, you just find out the value of N actually. So N minus 1 and D is 5. Okay. So first you see this is 78 minus 3, that is N plus minus 1 into 5. So this is 75 by 5, that is N minus 1. So this is 5, 15. So 15 and there is 1 is there. So this is N. So what's the value of N? N is 16. That means 16 term. Okay. That's the answer. No problem. Very easy. Just you grip the AP. What is the concept of AP? What is AP? And you just like the interest. The main is, in case of the solving the sum, main is the gripping. What is the concept? Don't be panic, see the sum. Just this is an AP. So first you find out what is the first term. Okay? From there, this suppose is the A1, A2, A3. This is A1, this is A2, this is A3. Find out. So D is actually key. A2 minus A1, or D is actually A3 minus A2. The same. So actually 18 minus 13. This is also 5. Okay. No problem. So first, in case of AP, you first find out the first term, okay, and that's a common difference. This is a common difference. Then you know the formula. So general formula A is equal to A plus N minus into D. Don't do be panic. This is a 78. What is the number of terms? 78 is the value of the n term. Value of the, don't to be panic. This is 78 actually the value of the nth term. You find out the value of n number of term. Suppose 3 is the first term. But what is the value of the first term? This is 3. 8 is the second term. But what is the value of the second term? This is 8. What is the value of the third term? This is 13. So same as what is the value of the n term? This is 78. It's given. Now you find out what is the term. Actually, what is the value of n? What is the term? This is the first term, this is second term, third term, fourth term. So 78. What is the number of terms? This is 16 term. Okay, in this. So just to put the value, this is okay. Clear? No problem? Okay, thank you. Now the second sum. Now the second sum. Okay. What is the second term? I just write here. What is the second? These are different pattern. Now the other pattern. Now the other pattern. This is actually 5.2. Same book, same exercise. Okay. So now these are other pattern. I just show you the different pattern. Just I so many sums are there. So just I work out here's the one pattern. Now is the other pattern. Okay. Now what is this? These the AP is here is 5.2. These are number of terms also calculate. Which term of AP is this? This is 18. This is the other sum 18. This is 15. 1 by 2. Okay. This is 13. Okay. Now is this is minus 47. That is a decreasing order. For that reason, this is a negative side. So now what is the number of term? What is the term? Minus 47. This is an AP. This is the first term. You calculate the common difference and you just find out the n. Suppose this minus 47 is the nth term. Nth term. Let minus 47 is nth term. So same as the following. Just you first calculate the first term A. A is now 18. D is actually this minus this actually 15. 1 by 2 minus 18. Actually this is 31 by 2 minus 18 by 1. So this is 2. This is 31. This is 36. So this is 5. So this is the value of D. D is the common term. D is the common term. Minus 5 by 2. Now Tn. General formula is An. An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Very easy. If you like the sum, if you just understand the process, so each and every sum will be very easier to you. Okay, no problem. So suppose these are n term. So Tn, what's the value? Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. No problem. Same. Clear? Clear? So now you know the value of Tn is minus 47. You put this here. Just calculate. But we remember, calculated must be okay. Calculated, this is a calculation is wrong, the answer will be wrong. Okay. So very careful. A. What's the value of A? A is 18. Be careful on the going the calculation. This is the n minus 1. And what's the value? Use the bracket also. This is a very important thing. Minus 5 by 2. Clear? তোমরা অঙ্কগুলো একবারই করবে কিন্তু ইন কেস দ্য ক্যালকুলেশনটা যখন করবে while you doing the calculation be careful এবার এটা এদিকে আসবে so this is minus 47 and this is also minus this. This is the n minus 1. This is minus 5 by 2. No problem. So this is same. This is 47 and this is 65. 65 minus 65 by this is actually this. So minus 5, this is 2, just reverse. So this is n minus 1. If you just shifting it, minus 5 by 2. Plus plus out, this is 13. Plus 13. So 13 to the 26 plus 1, that is n. So the n is equal to 27. This is the answer. This is the answer. So minus 47 is the, what is the number of term? This is the n is 20. 27 term is minus 47. This is the first term, second term, third term, suppose the fourth term, fifth term. Up to this minus 47, which term? 27. So minus 47 is the value of the 27 term. That is the main concept. What is the value of the second term? These. What is the value of the third term? These. What is the value of the first term? These. So what is the value of 27 term? This is this. From the AP you calculate, is the formula. First one, in case of AP, always find out the first term or the common difference is very important. Okay. Clear? So what is the value of the minus 47? 27 term. Clear? Okay. So this is very easy here to you. Okay. Clear? So next video I will just upload the different pattern also. Okay. So thank you for today. Thank you. Thank you.